Hey guys, I know I haven't vlogged in a while, or done any videos in a while. Just so you guys know, it's not because I don't want to, it's because my camera is absolutely messed up and does not hold a charge, so I am in the midst of trying to save to get a new camera. Vlogs are being done on my phone until I get a good place to lean my phone against. I can't do any videos on my phone, like actual videos that require me sitting and talking to you guys and that. In other news, we have finally made it to spring. Actually, I'm going to show you guys from my side window. This is, that whole, where is it? Okay, that whole part where you see that little white dot, that was all snow. And like way up the fence, like I think it actually damaged the fence a bit because we had ridiculous amounts of snow. Tonight we're just having pizza. This entire week is very busy. My mom's friend passed away. So Wednesday. Wednesday we are going to the memorial. Tomorrow Matt is getting his hair cut. And I don't know what Thursday is, but Thursday I believe we have something going on. And then Friday I'm home late, so this entire week is a complete and total write-off. Not hugely amount of stuff going on here. I need to get this dealt with. This is so thick right now. It is so irritating. Been going through our stuff lately. Actually, we got rid of a lot of books here. Mainly me. I'm buying a lot of my series ones on Kobo, so that I don't have all this. I don't need to take up all this space. And some of the books I read them very quickly because I've had them for years. And I don't need to keep the books. I don't want to keep like 2 books in my purse if I'm gonna read them that quickly. So I'm doing that. So I donated all my books to the library. This is how they always start. And it's cute and sweet, and then someone gets bitey. Usually it's Ginge. I'm just gonna swap. Yeah, there we go. She's gonna start biting soon. She's not aggressive. I think, to be honest, I think she's turned on, and this is how she reacts. Both of them are fixed. He's like eating her ear. Oh, licking the inside of her ear. Oh, see, now it's getting vicious. See, and now they're fighting. Guys. Daily occurrence. Get down. Penny, get down. Penny, get down. There you go. Daily occurrence.